Hello, Abuti.
Sanibona bantwana.
Can you teach us how to say my name is in isiZulu?
Igama lami ngingu Abuti.
That sounds easy. Show us some more.
Sawubona, igama lami ngingu Abuti.
Sawubona, igama lami ngingusisi.
Sawubona, igama lami ngingu Abuti.
Sawubona, igama lami ngingusera.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. In this phrase, igama means name. The lami means of mine. And in this context, ngingu means I am. So we're really saying, name of mine, I am.
Sawubona, igama lami ngingu Abuti.
Sawubona, igama lami ngingu Joseph.
Sawubona, igama lami ngingu Abuti.
And now you can say, my name is in isiZulu. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids.